Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. Today is Friday, April 22nd, 2022. This is Dale Woodson, editor of Woodson Wave Report. I want to get right into the analysis. We're going to look at the NQs and the ES, little futures action today, okay? I'm going to start with the NQs, and we started analyzing these in late February, so we have these direct hits here that we started back here in February, and anyway, I wanted to let you guys see the big picture and then point out a big tip-off that we had, okay? So, again, the NASDAQ and the Qs obviously topped in November. They've been in a bear market now for, what, almost a half a year? You know, good 4 or 5 months. And you can see we got a 1 down, 2 up, expanded flat, 3 down, 4 up, and then a 5 down for wave 1. There's wave 2 on 329. And here's what I want to alert you guys to. We had a 1, 2, 3, 4. We had a holiday weekend in there on Thursday the 14th. And if you look, this is a daily bar. On the 14th, it was right there. It made a lower low, okay? And that tipped us off that, or was it the 18th? I don't remember. It was one of the days of the weekend. Friday was a holiday. But the lower low happened in the NASDAQ or the Qs, but it didn't happen in any other index. And as we know, for decades, NASDAQ leads on the way up and it leads on the way down. So we made an email alert to our monthly subscribers that, hey, the Qs, or the NQs, made a lower low. We expect that this is going to be 5 waves down and then a retracement up and then a third wave down. So we were really confident that the wave 2 high was in, and that wave 3 was beginning, and this is wave 1 of 3 right there. Okay, so without further ado, we want to get into our midday alert this morning. And let me find it here. Market close, market open. Here it is. It's in a PDF file. My apologies. Okay, our midday alert came at let me get down here. I had an appointment then. This is going back yesterday at 11 a.m. So I got this out, as the chart shows, at 10:55 a.m. I wanted to show this because I was looking at the 1-minute chart and I saw this thing breaking down in 5 waves to the downside. So, and it came really close to our target right there in between. But the most important thing is we could identify 5 waves down on a 1-minute chart, signifying a change in trend. At 10:55 in the morning, Powell spoke at 11:30. Again, as I always say, the news doesn't move the market. The news is a reaction to the market. The market causes the news. So anyway, a full 35 minutes before, we said, hey, change in trend. This thing's going down. Keep in mind, this is a third wave, so it could extend downward from current levels. But it's like we have a change in trend at 10:55, 35 minutes before Powell even opened his mouth. So our subscribers were ready for what was about to come yesterday and today. They get these things in advance. So I just wanted to point that out to you guys, okay? So, by the way, let's get back into the charts, okay? And let's go to the E-minis. This is a 10-minute chart. This is an illustration of what we had back here on the day before, on the 21st, and we said it could extend lower. Of course it did, and we got the big decline over 2 days, okay? But it was tipped off by the Qs, or the NQs. Okay, but most important thing here is we had that target here of 46.25, and it hit 47. I think I had that on the market open report. Let me show you guys that there real quick. Yeah, here we go. This was our market open report today. I think it was the 22nd. Yeah, at 8:55, and we had that target of 46.25. You can see there's our target, and there's the actual. So our customers got this at the first half hour of trading, and this target hit at the close. So a full 6 hours in advance, way back here, they got this target, and 6 hours later, there was a huge decline from that wave 2 high of 43.93 to 42.46. I believe that's roughly 150 points. Not bad advance notice, would you say? Anyway, I wanted to make a note here. This was a target where 5 equaled 1, and this is where 3 equals 1, okay? In a normal, if this was an A instead of a 1, and a B instead of a 2, and a C, that would be a normal 1-to-1 relationship. However, if it's a 3 and it's a change of trend, we would expect a 1.618 or even further. So our customers have been alerted, newsletter subscribers. I'm really interested in the open on Sunday futures at 5 p.m. Central. If this thing goes up and corrects, that's one thing. But if it goes down, it's another. Okay? But let's get back to, I want to show you guys this hourly chart of the S&P. It's a little crowded. I put things in different colors. As you can see here, there's those targets there. But again, we're giving our subscribers these numbers in advance. You can just look at all these different hits on our targets. They're all within a point or two. You know, and Woodson Wave Report is not a trading service, but while I don't provide trades, it's just math, and I'm publishing the numbers of the targets. Okay, the subscribers are using the make or breaks as stops and the Fibonacci target, and extensions and retracements as entry and exit points. Okay, we're seeing huge moves, 40, 60, sometimes even 100 points or more in both directions in the same day. So most traders, investors are getting whipsawed. We're keeping our subscribers in the know in advance. Way before Powell spoke, we had these targets here, and then they came to light. Okay, so this is a replica, not a replica. This is what we're actually putting out. By the way, this was a WXY or an ABC, and you can see there that hit in between our Fibonacci targets for the third wave. A note to myself to short here. That was a nice trade. Let's put it that way. Okay, so we've got that 1, 2, 3 as you saw on the other, and that's where 3 equals 1. You can see the lines there. There's a target in the actual. So again, Sunday is going to be important. We'll see if 3 extends or if it corrects up in 4 and then we get a 5. But we definitely have, this is even from the 329. Let's get a bigger picture here. From the all-time high in the black, you've got 1 down, 2 up, 3 down, 4 up, 5 down for 1 or A. There's your 2 or B. And you can follow in the purple with the circles. We got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 1. And then we have 2. And then we have another. And that's should be over there. That got misplaced. But then there's a 1, 2, and then a 1, 2, 3. Okay, you can see that better on the other chart. Back over here. And we will leave you guys with the big picture, okay? So we're going to be really curious for Sunday night. Can't wait for the open. We'll see what happens. We'll be ready either way, if we get a 4 up or if we get a 3 extension down. Until next time, take care, everyone.